You come shopping with your best friend and there's 3 carts and she's holding up the line because she's still buying stuff.
What do I do?
Seriously, there's 3 carts and there's more coming and she's having a delivery. There goes another cart. Big booty, huh? So come through right here. Oh. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday. Let me see. Chris, are you laughing at me? David. You're laughing at me, right?
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna show you.
So this spoon is full of wasabi, and she thought it was green tea ice cream.
He told me,
And she ate it.
I didn't tell you. I never.
I see Chris. You see David laughing right there. Right there. There he is, fucking laughing, motherfucker. There he's still laughing. You guys are gonna see. I'm gonna prank him so bad. Oh, he is laughing. The prank war is on, right, David? Prank war is on, right? For sure. You ready, right? I'll call it, fucker. I got a key to